Thank you for joining House Talks. Home gardening becomes real challenge during the summer. When the days heat up, the soil can become drier and less optimal for plant growth. The good news is, there are few sun-loving plants to keep your garden thriving during the hottest months of the year. Select and incorporate plants into your garden that are drought-tolerant or can stand up to summer heat. Let's explore a few best sun-loving plants. This tour will explain plant name, hardiness details, and spacing of each plant. Number 1, Veronica, commonly known as Speedwell, is a drought-tolerant, grow in moderately fertile, well-drained soil in full sun. Veronica is a carefree and easy-to-grow perennial with long spikes of small petals in purple, blue, pink, or white with long blooming time from late spring to early fall. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, Speedwell grows 12 to 24 inches tall and spreads from 12 to 18 inches. Number 2, Yarrow, Achillea millefolium, goes by different names such as poor man's pepper, and thousand leaf. This easy care, drought-tolerant common yarrow shows clustered mini blooms on long slender stems throughout the summer season to bring best foliage to home garden during hot season of the year. Common yarrow can be toxic to dogs, cats, and it is deer and rabbit tolerant. Common yarrow can grow well in dry, well-drained conditions. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, and yarrow grows 2 to 2.5 feet tall and spreads from 2 to 2.5 feet. Number 3, Salvia, Bordeaux compact sky blue. Salvia's aromatic foliage supports strong upright spikes covered with rose-colored flowers. In spring to summer, it is ideal for sunny borders or patio containers, and it attracts butterflies and pollinators. Salvia prefers full sun in average dry to medium range well-drained soil conditions. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows from 18 to 24 inch tall and 16 to 20 wide, it looks beautiful in containers. Number 4, Liatris Piccata, commonly known as Gayfeather, or blazing star. Liatris is a long-blooming perennial with bright deep purple flower spikes and leafy flower stalks. The largest corms will produce the most impressive flowers. Liatris is drought-tolerant plant, it blooms in early summer to early fall. Hardiness zoning are 3 to 9, it grows from 1.5 to 2.5 feet tall and up to 1 feet wide, it prefers full sun. Long purple spikes brings unique details into the garden bed. Number 5, Phlox Paniculata, also known as garden Plox. This plant brings fragrant flowers during long blooming season from summer to early fall. It prefers full sun and moist but well-drained soil. But garden Phlox does not like extreme hot and humid summers. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows from 2 to 3 feet tall and spread 1 to 2 feet. Garden Plox is more likely to be found in the middle or back row of a flower bed, a good option to bring cascading effect in flower beds. Number 6, Catmint Nepota faassenii. Catmint flowers are dense and colorful, and attracts butterflies and hummingbirds. It is resistant to deer and rabbits. Catmint blooms beautiful blue-purple flowers from late spring to all the way to early fall season. Catmint prefers well-drained conditions, and catmint is a natural choice for rock gardens, and it works well as bordering plant or container plant. Hardiness are 3 to 8, it grows from 18 to 20 inches tall, and 2 to 3 feet wide. Number 7, Gaura Lindheimeri, known as Belleza dark pink and Beeblossom. Gaura Belleza dark pink blooms beautiful pink flowers for longest time, starting from late spring until frost. Gaura thrives in full with well-drained soil, and it is easy care perennial and pest-free and deer resistant. Gaura grows well in containers and good option for rock gardening. Hardiness are 5 to 9, it grows from 1 to 2 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet spread. It is perfect option to fill up sun-exposing flower beds to bring beautiful flowers during hot season of the year. Number 8, Spanish lavender. It is one of about 40 different varieties of lavender, but it is well known for its distinct flower shape. It shows upright petals that appear at the top of the flower heads and that brings a unique design in deep purple color. Spanish lavender is more heat tolerant than other lavender varieties and it blooms from late spring to summer. Hardiness zones are 8 to 11, it grows from 18 to 36 inches tall and 18 to 24 inches wide. Number 9. Penstemon, commonly known as dark towers, shows beautiful foliage texture, with bronze-red leaves on deep red stems with topped light pink flowers will add rich and contrasting colors to garden. Dark towers tolerates high heat, humidity, and easy to grow and perfect for sun-exposed areas with minimal care. Dark towers is an outstanding taller selection for the middle to back of a sunny border of the flowed beds. Dark towers is rabbit-resistant perennial plant and it attracts butterflies and hummingbirds. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8, grows quickly up to 30 inch tall and wide and up to 36 inches, during the full bloom season. Number 10, Lantana. It is moderate growing perennial plant blooms from late spring to fall season. Pink huff lantana produces yellow, purple and bright pink flowers. Lantana is very heat tolerant and blooms for longest time with minimal care. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, it grows 1 to 2 feet tall and 1 to 3 feet wide. Lantana prefers full sun, it is good option to spread the colors for larger areas of the home garden in hot summer and fall. Here is the last plant for this episode, Gallardia, also known as blanket flower. It shows repeat blooming with various shades of red, yellow, orange from summer to fall. Blanket flower prefers full sun and well-draining soil. Hardiness are 3 to 9, it grows from 24 to 36 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches spread. Gallardias are such long bloomers that they work equally well in borders and containers. Blanket flowers do well with other heat-loving plants that thrive in full sun. I hope you likes the content of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to House Talks. Have a great day.